Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to source for comprehensive tech reviews. Today, we're delving into the TP-Link USB Wi-Fi adapter. If you're looking to boost your computer's wireless capabilities, stay tuned because this tiny device packs a punch. Inside this unassuming package, you'll find the TP-Link USB Wi-Fi adapter, a powerful upgrade that can transform your computer's connectivity. Measuring just 0.73 by 0.58 by 0.27 inches, it's incredibly compact yet packs a lot of functionality. The TP-Link USB Wi-Fi adapter is all about enhancing your internet speeds. With a data transfer rate of up to 150 megabits per second, you can enjoy lag-free video streaming and crystal-clear internet calls. Say goodbye to frustrating buffering. This adapter operates on the 2.4 GHz band, ensuring that your Wi-Fi signal covers every nook and cranny of your house. No more dead zones or weak connections. You'll have reliable coverage everywhere. One of the standout features of this adapter is its miniature design. Once plugged in, it's so compact that you might forget it's even there. It's perfect for laptops, where you can simply leave it in your USB port without worrying about it getting in the way. The TP-Link adapter offers both ad hoc and infrastructure modes, giving you flexibility in connecting to different networks. Plus, it supports a range of wireless security protocols like 64128 WEP, WPA, WPA2, and WPA-PSK, WPA2-PSK for a secure browsing experience. Whether you're a Windows, Mac, or Linux user, this adapter has you covered. It's compatible with Windows 8.1, 8/7, XP, Mac OS X 10.9 to 10.15, and Linux kernel 2.6.18-4.4.3. Just visit the TP-Link website for the latest drivers for your operating system. Need to turn your computer into a Wi-Fi hotspot? The Soft App mode lets you do just that. It's a handy feature for sharing your internet connection with other devices. In conclusion, the TP-Link USB Wi-Fi adapter is a fantastic way to upgrade your computer's wireless capabilities. Its compact size, impressive speed, and wide compatibility make it a must-have accessory. If you found this review helpful, please give us a thumbs up, share it with others looking to supercharge their Wi-Fi, and subscribe to Product Critique for more insightful tech reviews. Thanks for joining us today. With the TP-Link USB Wi-Fi adapter, you'll experience faster, more reliable internet connectivity. Until next time.